in the hall. Let's cook a chicken. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my barbecue pit. I know I've shown you we're going to spatchcock a chicken. We're going to do this one more time for the people who fell asleep in the last 100 times. What I have here is a chicken. I'm going to flip him over on his breast like that. You want to grab the Pope's nose. That's right there. See that? That's his tail. That's the part of the chicken that a Cajun likes the best. Get your chicken shears. These are available on Amazon. You can get them at Walmart. You can get them at Lowe's. We don't go to Home Depot anymore because, well, reasons. And what you just do is just cut up one side of his backbone with the shears like this, which is going to encompass his neck as well. And this cuts right through the bone, no problem, these shears, like that. Flip him around, go to the other side, start at his neck, cut that little piece of skin right there. And you're taking the backbone out of the chicken is what you're doing. And of course you could save the backbone and make soup, or you could do, I don't know. You could use it for something, but I don't. I usually throw it away, to be honest with you. To be brutally honest, I usually throw the backbone away because there really is no upside for me on the backbone. Anyway, we get the backbone out of the chicken. See, it seems like a struggle, but it's not. I'm just making it look harder than it is. Anyway, out that goes. Then we flip them back over. Now some people say you should take a knife and cut the breastbone. All I do is give them a sharp rap right there. And guess what? My chicken is spatchcocked. So now we're going to get some Sang stir-fry oil and slather that puppy with that nice chicken with that. This is a nice chicken. This is a Purdue chicken. Slather him with some Sang stir-fry oil. Let's flip his leg around. I'm going to get them one to lay flat on the grill like that, see? Then I've got this new rub I'm trying, Blues Hog All In. It sounded good to me, so I thought I would try it. Blues Hog All In. It looks like a nice rub. It's got everything you could possibly want in a rub inside of it. Get our chicken rubbed down with that. I think I'll do both sides as a matter of fact. Why not? Flip them over. Uh-oh. Slippery chicken. Hey, remember that guy? Slippery chicken? Whatever happened to him? Anyway, yeah, let's get this flipped over, get the other side. There's a little bit of guts right there we got to pull out. Get that out of there. Rub his other side down with that all-in barbecue rub. That's some nice rub. Get him flipped over again. I've got a piece of cherry wood on the grill producing a light smoke. Okay, I'm going to get him on the grill, and then we're going to make a special sauce for this chicken. There's a spot that didn't get anything on it. We're going to make a Carolina Gold barbecue sauce to slather on the chicken. Normally, you put your Carolina Gold sauce on a pulled pork, but I just can't commit the time to make a pulled pork. It's like 6 hours, and I just don't have the time. Chicken cooks in about an hour. So let me get him on the grill and get him smoking, and then we'll start making this barbecue sauce. So stay tuned. Okay, my chicken's on the grill getting smoked up. I've got my little cast iron sauce pot here. This is a mustard-based sauce, so we're going to start this out with, this is an 8-ounce bottle of yellow mustard. We're going to use it all, every drop of the mustard in this jar, in this bottle is going to go in this thing. So we want a whole bunch of mustard in there. Every drop. 8 ounces of mustard. That's a cup of mustard, let's say. Okay. You gonna do that with me? You gonna make that rude noise every time? Alright, I think I got the best of that one, don't you? And we need a little bit of ketchup. Let's call that a quarter cup of ketchup. Ketchup in there. Okay. We need some honey. I have some clover honey that I get here locally, orange blossom honey. About 1/4 of a cup of honey. It's a kind of a mustard, honey mustard barbecue sauce. I'm gonna just dump in. I'm gonna use up what I had. That's all. I'll throw that out and I'll get a new one next time I go by the farm out there. Get some more honey. Then we've got some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce, about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I don't know why I'm bothering to measure. I know it usually. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Ketchup's in there. Then we've got some apple cider vinegar, which we need 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to pour in what I think is 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Let's give that all a stir. Our Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. We're going to set this on the fire and let it all warm together. It's not done yet. Put the cap on that Worcestershire before it spills. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Looking like it should. Okay. Now we have some spices. I want to get these spices in there. Need a place to put my spoon so it doesn't mess up my board. Okay, let me show you. We got some, we have paprika, salt, onion powder, black pepper, and garlic powder. That's all going in there. That's all going in our Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. All those spices. Get them mixed up. We're gonna heat this on the fire, and it's gonna all come together. You'll see. Now this is optional, and you don't have to do this if you don't want to. But I've got some. I got this little sample bottle of habanero, key lime habanero hot sauce. I'm gonna dump this whole bottle in there. And you make it as hot or as spicy as you want, or not at all. You know, if you don't want any hot sauce in there, or if you like different hot sauce, like maybe sriracha, you prefer sriracha, you put that in there. But I had that. It's been hanging around since Christmas, and I haven't used it, so I want to get it in this sauce. And it's really, really looking good. This is a beautiful sauce. We're going to mix that up a little bit more, and I'm going to get that on the fire, set it next to the chicken on the fire, and let it warm. Let it get warm. And as you can see, it's kind of a loose sauce, but it's, you know, it's just the way I like it, just the way I want it, right there. And it's a mustard sauce, Carolina Gold. Isn't it beautiful? Let me put it on the fire and let it get warm, and then we'll get our chicken cooked, and when he's just about done, we'll mop him with this Carolina Gold. So stay tuned. My chicken's coming along nicely. I went to flip him over and the leg came right off of him. We're gonna give him his initial mopping with the Carolina Gold sauce right now. We're gonna mop some of that on there. Carolina Gold sauce. Let that sauce set up on there. I'll have to arrange him nicely somehow for the thumbnail, because it's not going to look good with that one leg completely detached. Get him mopped up over there. I'm going to flip him over and mop the other side and let him continue to cook until he gets to about 150, 160 degrees internal temperature on the breast. And then it'll be time to take a taste and drink a beer. So stay tuned. All right, my chicken is done. The legs came completely detached from the body, but that's okay. It's time to drink a beer. Here's a Frosty Root Boy mug. I'm out of breath. This is Worcestershire Pils Legend. And you know what? I thought this was fake German beer, but it's not. My friend Victor Bitters put me straight when he told me that Aldi's is a German company. I got this at Aldi's. Aldi's is a German company, and they get, this is a imported German beer. A real, what is it? It's a Pils Legend, Pilsner. Anyway, yeah, it's good beer. There's nothing wrong with it. Let's quaff the froth off of it. It's good. Wernigeriner. 4.8 alcohol. Not enough to calm me down, but enough to take a taste of my chicken with. Let me turn the camera around and we'll get some of this chicken in my mouth. Stay tuned. My chicken is done. Carolina Gold barbecue chicken. Doesn't that look good? And you know, normally I would grab a wing, but today I can't resist this leg. Look at this leg. I gotta take a bite of that. Wow. That's delicious. Man. You gotta try this recipe. You gotta make that sauce. It's really good on pulled pork, but it's also great on chicken. There's nothing like a barbecued yard bird out on your back grill. Delicious. That sauce is amazing. Mustard-based barbecue sauce. Babies, you know what I always say? I usually have the beer in my hand. I say if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up the iCard right there. Visit my friend Rob, the poor guy. Poor guy's rocking down to YouTube lately. He's making a lot of videos. A lot of cool stuff. He's cooking chicken on his pizza grill. He's doing all kinds of stuff. So go check out Rob, the poor guy. Subscribe to me, Root Boy Cooks. See the sign behind me? Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. Bye!